Nigga, give me 6. Nigga, give me 6. Nigga, give me 6 feet in an ounce of space. Give me 6 feet in an ounce of space. Give me 6 feet in an ounce of space. Give me 6 feet in an ounce of space. Give me 6 feet in an ounce of space. Give me 6 feet in an ounce of space.
Yo! Action!
This is Stunt.
Bring it in!
You on your bike.
Everybody touch somebody. Father God, we come to you. Everybody bow your head, please. Father God, we come to you and we ask for your protection, your care, your mercy, your grace, your fortitude. We ask that you bless this day, Father. Bless every rider, bless every passenger, bless everybody stuck in the car. Father God, we ask that you give those who are rubbernecking on the freeway room to look at us and film us without touching us, Father God. We ask that you return us home in the same way that we left. Father God, we ask that you keep us all safe, you keep us all grounded. Father God, we say thank you for sending us home just as we left. In your precious name, we say what, family? Amen. Amen. Clap it out.
Right on, right on.
All right, so we're going to go to a few spots. And then we just go on from there. And then we're going to lead till Sunday Fun Day.
Now,
anybody who don't go to Sunday Fun Day.
Police don't scatter like roaches like y'all normally go. Like where everybody going? Everybody know where to go now.
Big money when I walk in. Them niggas you with, plus them niggas they with, really is not them. I'm a big dog, yeah, out the brim. I like models, gotta be all 10. I'm a grown man, I am not a kid. You wasn't with us when we was in the gym. You wasn't with us when we had no whip. You wasn't with us when we was in the bucket. And had to drive it like fuck it. 4 deep, still thuggin'. Flamed up, still blood. You don't know the big homies, huh? You don't know Baby Bone Knockout, Big Hound.
Sideways King, Willie King, Longest Burnout.
Technically, if I do that from there, I went sideways. That was like side.
No, that's not technically.
That's like sideways.
That's from the curve. That's like leaving from the curve.
You gotta get my nigga plus got a curve, and then it's like that's from the curve.
Nah, if it's from the curve, it's not.
Yeah, you gotta add my nigga 5 feet.
That counts as sideways movement though, right?
Okay,
If everybody
you right.
everybody can't come from the curve, and I end up right there. Give my nigga an extra 5 feet. That means, nigga, I was going straight this way.
People can't.
Did it and went.
All I know is I'm taking one of those trophies home. I don't give a fuck which one it is. One of them is going home with me.
I mean, LA is forever gonna be on my back.
What?
Strip.
There it is on the left side, right there.
That's the first time I've ever even fucking wrecked that bad, ever. Never in my whole entire 20 years of riding.
It happens, man. It happens. It happens.
You still got your tattoo though?
I got fucking ass burn. I don't think I got a dick burn, but I'm pretty close right here. That motherfucker. Shit.
He said, beat it.
Anybody hold on, hell no. Get out there. Hey, we can do it again. Is that what you're trying to do?
That's second and third.
Oh, let's do it again. And they got the same time. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
No, him for the all gas, no brakes.
I think old boy from Cocky all gas, no break.
No, that's side. That's more sideways.
Okay,
See, all gas, no brakes
like
is when you shifting through the gears and you still going.
We still got time.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
sound about right then.
Yeah.
That
We
sounds
got
about
two
right.
more locations to go to.
Man, like a quarter mile. Shit. Damn near where the yellow dude is.
Hey, I won my trophy.
That was an 8. I was kind of, and I got sideways and flipped my shit over. I earned that one too. Ain't nobody get more sideways than that.
We ain't got no purpose eject.
Eject those Cetos,
We ain't got no ejectocito girls.
Eject those Cetos, guys.
You guys, I could destroy your whole entire burnout comp because you guys say
No front brake, bro.
Yeah, I ain't front
That's cheating.
There's no such thing as
Yes, it is. That's a contest. If it's a contest, it's a cheat. You can't cheat.
You wasn't with us when we was in the gym. You wasn't with us when we ain't had no whip. You wasn't with us when we was in the bucket and had to drive it like fuck it. 4 deep, still thugging, flamed up, still bloody. You don't know the big homies, huh? You don't know Baby Bone Knockout, Big Hound, or Eminem 1.
Your trophy, fam. Oh, there you go. I thought he was
Oh, my boy. Ace King, my boy, Cocky.
Cocky.
Yeah.
Where you at? There you go. There you go.
You fucking shit. Yeah, you finally did.
There you go.
Okay, it was like from right here. Excuse me.
Street Wars, Drizzle.
There you go, man. That's right.
Burning that thing on out with my man.
This is going to be an annual thing, whether you believe it or not. We've been needing this for years, man. It's been down for too long. Ted just said, you know what, man, fuck it. I want to do this shit.
Bring it back.
And I'm like, hey, let's make it happen. And he just, you know, made it blossom, man. You know what I'm saying? You call the right people and shit works, man. That's what just happened. You know what I'm saying? And look, it turned out very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? We have some stunners that we never seen before. And they getting down out this motherfucker. Real talk, man.
You wasn't with us when we was in the gym.